Pesky. You going for a ride? Yeah, that's fun.
Good boy. Sit.
Sit. Good boy.
Good boy, Pesky.
His tail's wagging.
Well, you use the R word, so I think he thinks.
His tail was wagging before.
Boy. Good boy, you like your stroller? Do you like your sit? Do you like your stroller?
Is that fun for you?
Yay! Where's the baby gonna sit?
They're gonna have to share.
Where's the baby gonna sit? Huh? Where is it gonna sit? Yay, babies! Good boy. Okay. Can you get out? You need help?
You can do it, I think.
Oh, good boy. Yay!
Let him sniff it now. I wonder if
That was fun.
he's curious.
He didn't murder Shannon. It was an accident.
Get back in it. Good boy.
Boy. Good boy, Grumps.
Called Shannon after they saw each other, and they met a couple of blocks away.
Oh, jeez.
When Jason told Shannon Aiden was before them,
No. Is this your new stroller? You want to go in it?
begged Shannon to forgive him.
Come here.
She pushed him away.
Come here.
She slipped and fell backwards.
Good boy.
Jason tried to revive her, but it was just too late.
Oh, let me get him put the brakes on. Mommy's not a very good mama, huh? Sit. Sit.
Good boy, Pesky. Good boy.
Good boy.
Bye. See you later.
Good boy.
Have fun.
Good boy. You love this. There's Papa.
Hey. Have fun.
Boy. Sit. Good job.
Are you drunk, Mama?
Good boy. Okay. Good boy. Here, I'll help. Good job.
Oh, wow. Was that fun? Is that fun, Pesky?
Oh. Good boy.
Why would I kill him?
Are we done?
So either Kevin Michael or Molly Jean. You weren't the first one to use your stroller.
You have to share it.
Yep. Good boy, Pesky. Good boy. Good boy. Pesky, say goodbye. Say bye. Ah.
What do you think of that? Can I see?
Yeah.